हेलो बच्चों, लेट्स सी द क्वेश्चन। तो क्वेश्चन में कह रहा है कि ए यंग्स डबल स्लिट एक्सपेरिमेंट इज परफॉर्म्ड विथ व्हाइट लाइट, देन चारों ऑप्शन गिवन, राइट। तो इस क्वेश्चन में हमारा जो की कॉन्सेप्ट होगा वो है इंटरफेरेंस इंटरफेरेंस विथ व्हाइट लाइट इन यंग्स डबल स्लिट एक्सपेरिमेंट, राइट। तो लेट्स से कि हमने हमारे पास ये एक डबल स्लिट एक्सपेरिमेंट का सेटअप है। This is our slit 1, this is our slit 2, and this is our screen. And we have taken a white light source. This is a white light source, right? We know that white light consists of different colors, 7 colors, right? So, in the center of the screen, the light coming from the slits, all the light coming from the slits will superpose with each other, right? So in the center we will see bright fringe, that is a white fringe, white fringe in center, right? And experimentally we have seen that then we will see some colored fringes just next after the bright fringe, right? So just next after the white fringe we will see violet, and the color will change as we go outside, and the color will change from violet to red. Same will happen in the lower case also. We will see violet just next after the white fringe, then we will see the color is changing from red to violet. Sorry, violet to red, right? Because let's say that y1, that is the distance of the fringes from the central bright fringe, is equals to n lambda d by d, right? Now we know that as we go from violet to red, that is VIBGYOR, the wavelength is increasing, right? So the wavelength is increasing. So the minimum wavelength is of violet color, right? So the y, that is the distance from the fringe to the central bright fringe, is minimum in case of violet, right? And as the distance of the violet fringe is the at the minimum distance from the central bright fringe, that's why it stays close to the central bright fringe, and you can say it stays just next to the central bright fringe, right? So now let's check the options. So option A saying that the central fringe will be white. So as we have discussed that the central fringe will be white because of superposing of all the wavelengths of lights, right? So our option A is correct. Option B saying that there will not be a completely dark fringe. So ये भी सही होगा क्योंकि as we have told that at every point there will be a superposition of any wavelength, or that's why we will see that there will be colorful fringe. That's why no completely dark fringe will form. The fringe, option C is saying that the fringe next to the central will be red. So this is our wrong, because we have see here that the fringe next to the central by fringe will be violet, because that the lambda, that is the wavelength of the violet color, is minimum. So the distance from the central fringe to the violet fringe will be minimum, right? So option D is correct, that the fringe next to the center will be violet, right? So our option A, B and D is correct. Hope you understand it. Best of luck.